Hey there, my big friend. I'm sorry you got stuck inside. Do you want to come right onto there and I'll take you to the backyard? Here you go. Okay, come on up and I'll carry you, Jen. There you go, my friend. Now let's just go around to where you want to be. Here you go. Bless you. Bless you all. Oh, you're tickling me. You're tickling me. You're tickling me. You're tickling me, friend. Okay. Look what I found here. Oops. I know you want to stay. Oops. I know you want to stay. But you got to do your thing too. Okay? Okay, where can I put you that's a good place that you'll be safe? Right there? Is this a pretty place? Oh, you want... Oh, you have to do your thing. I love you.